Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use these Sukeen cooling towels. So these are very, very soft. Here's what this side looks like. This side, they're very long, but they're so easy to use. First thing we're going to do is you're going to get them wet. Okay, so turn some cold water on. Let's get them nice and soaked. Let the water run all the way through. There's what they look like when they're all nice and soaked. Now you're going to wring them out. You may want to fold it up, roll it up. Let's see if we can roll it up. Kind of fold it a couple times. All right, we got the water out. Now we're going to fling it. Now what you want to do is loosen it all up, and then you kind of want to just float it in the wind. That's going to help the cooling effect. Just kind of go in the wind a little bit. Now I feel a temperature drop from this. Okay, so now it definitely feels a lot colder than before. So now I can put this around. That is really, really cold. You know, just let it hang there, put it over my head if I had to. It's gonna help me keep me nice and cold. But and then if I wanna make it cold again, just kind of fluff it in the wind. I may have to put it underwater, wring it out again. But yeah, this thing is definitely, very, very cold to the touch. All right, let's go over dimensions. So width is a foot, 12 inches. Now again, it is really long, so right around 37.5 inches. The ends are really nicely stitched. The only tag on it is this tag right here. It doesn't get in the way too much. We can machine wash these, so you can put these in your laundry. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.